HYPR and FusionAuth have teamed up to help organizations eliminate passwords and provide users with true passwordless, single sign-on, mobile, and web login. By using FusionAuth with HYPR, you can activate true passwordless security with no additional code. You can also deploy a complete identity solution on any server anywhere in the world or run in the cloud in minutes, scale from 1 to 100 million users or more, and gain direct API access for native mobile and web apps. This demo shows how HYPR provides true passwordless login for a web app. To log in, the user goes to their FusionAuth portal and provide their username. FusionAuth then checks if they are registered with HYPR when they click Next. The user then receives a push notification asking them to authenticate to FusionAuth. They hit OK, provide their FIDO-based authentication, and successfully complete their login to the FusionAuth portal. So here's what's going on behind the scenes. When a user wants to log into a workstation or a web app that's front-ended with FusionAuth, all they need to do is provide their username to issue an authentication request. Once they provide their username, they'll be redirected to FusionAuth through an open standard such as SAML or OpenID Connect. Then, FusionAuth will request HYPR to authenticate the user via their HYPR mobile app. HYPR will then send a push notification to that user's mobile device, where they will perform a secure FIDO-certified authentication, which grants them access to the application, all of which takes less than 5 seconds. By using HYPR and FusionAuth together, you gain agility by achieving true passwordless security in seconds without additional code, deployability by leveraging cross-cloud and cross-platform capabilities, scalability by enabling your identity systems to handle usage spikes and to scale with demand, whether it's for 1 million or 100 million users. And finally, extensibility. HYPR and FusionAuth both take an API-driven approach, so you can easily plug in existing systems rather than rip and replace. Thank you for watching this demo. To learn more on how you can eliminate the target, visit hypr.com.